Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm genuinely excited to share something that I think is going to be a total game changer for anyone diving into the world of AI video creation. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or someone who's just curious about how to actually get great results out of tools like Google Veo, Sora, Runway, or Pika Labs, stick around, because what I'm about to show you is going to completely change how you work with these tools. Let's be real for a second. Most of us have played around with these AI video platforms. You type in something like a drone shot of a beach at sunset, hit generate, and then you wait. And when the video comes back, sure, it's kind of cool. But it's also kind of flat. It feels generic. It's missing that emotional punch, that cinematic storytelling feel that we all want in our content. And it's frustrating, right? Because these tools are incredibly powerful, but they're only as good as the prompts we give them. And that's exactly where Visual Rampage comes in. This isn't just another AI tool or a handful of example prompts. This is a massive, carefully designed library of 10,000 long-form cinematic prompts built from the ground up to give AI the direction it actually needs. I've spent hours digging through this thing, and let me tell you, it's on a completely different level than anything else out there right now. Most of the prompts floating around the internet are vague or just a sentence or two. Visual Rampage flips that on its head. Each prompt reads like a mini screenplay. We're talking detailed camera angles, scene pacing, mood and emotion, transitions, lighting suggestions, movement cues, everything. These aren't just prompts, they're creative blueprints. And the result? AI-generated videos that actually look and feel like they were directed by someone who knows what they're doing. Now, here's where it gets even better. The prompts are organized across 100% of the hottest and most profitable niches out there. Stuff like luxury, travel, real estate, product ads, futuristic tech, lifestyle, education, and so much more. That means no matter what kind of content you're creating or selling, there's something inside this pack that fits your exact need. And it's not just random. It's organized in a super clean, clickable Excel file, so you can instantly jump to what you need when you need it. What blew me away, though, is that this whole pack also comes with full private label rights. That means not only can you use these prompts to level up your own content, you can also rebrand them, resell them, bundle them, or use them to build your own prompt product. This is one of those rare situations where you're holding something that's both a creative tool and a business opportunity at the same time. And think about where AI video is heading. Every day, these tools are improving. The gap between amateur and professional-looking content is shrinking. But the thing that still separates great content from the rest is storytelling, direction, vision, and Visual Rampage gives you that, without needing to go to film school, without writing a script, without hiring a team. It gives you the creative language that these AI tools understand. What I also really respect is that this isn't just another rehashed PLR product. The team behind Visual Rampage clearly put real work into crafting something that stays relevant, usable, and valuable. You can tell from the detail in the prompts that this wasn't rushed. It's built for the tools we're all using today and the tools that are coming next. So if you've been feeling stuck, or like your AI videos just don't have that magic spark, this is your shortcut. Whether you want to make better content for your clients, grow your own brand, or even launch a whole new product in the AI space, this prompt library puts the power in your hands. I've been using it myself, and the difference in output is massive. You stop feeling like you're guessing with prompts, and you start feeling like you're directing something real. You see your videos come back with actual flow, tone, energy. It just works. Anyway, I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. Definitely let me know in the comments what kind of AI videos you're working on or want to create. And if this helped or inspired you in any way, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.